Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home. In today's video, I'm going to do a little DIY with these large eggs that I bought at Walmart. So if you're interested in seeing what I do, stay tuned. Okay, so for this project I'm using 3 of these eggs. I have one in each color that they came in, kind of an off-white cream color, this robin's egg blue color, and this brown color. And then I have these 3 candlesticks that I purchased from Goodwill. I got those as part of a Goodwill challenge in the spring, I think it was. And then I'm going to be using some of this museum putty. This one's the Quay Cold brand, but they all work essentially the same. And I have already put pieces of that on my candle holders here, kind of in the center. Now, initially I had been planning just to put the eggs onto the candle holders, but they weren't staying very well. So I think what I'm going to do actually is use these little nests. I picked these up at Michael's. And I'm actually going to embed the nest into that museum putty, like so. See? Now, whoops. I guess I need a little more. Let me pull it off. You can just pull it off like so, and put a piece in there, and then I'm going to push down the center of the nest. It has this bar. I don't know if you can see that across the center there. That will go down into that museum putty and stick. Okay, that's working better. Then I'm going to take another piece and I'm going to make it into more of a snake by rolling it between my fingers. And I'm going to make a little donut shape out of it to put into the center of the nest. That way it will help hold the egg in place. And actually, I think I may stick it onto the bottom of the egg. Now these eggs used to have some bows on them, so they have this little indentation here. I am going to wrap the museum putty most of the way around that little opening there on the egg. And then put the egg into the basket and push down. And I think that's going to hold it in place a lot better. See? And I'm actually really happy with how that looks, because now it looks like the egg is sitting in a nest. So I'm going to do the other 2 and then I'll show you how it looks. And here is the finished DIY. As you can see, they are adhered to my nests, and I think they'll stick on a lot better than just the eggs by themselves. So, as you can see, it was really easy to do. It just took me a couple of minutes. I showed you in real time, so if you have these types of things in your home, doesn't have to be this exact candlestick, but these nests I got on sale and the eggs were very inexpensive. So I was able to do this whole thing for less than $10 all together. So that's it for now, and I appreciate your tuning in. And let me know in the comments down below if you've done something similar, or if you think you might do something similar for your home this spring season. Thanks again for watching, and once again, if you are new to my channel, I do post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home. So I hope you'll consider subscribing by clicking on the subscribe button in the description box down below, or the icon in the bottom corner of this video. I appreciate all of you, and I look forward to seeing all of you next time. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.